In this video, we will show you how to terminate the Chords Pro SlimCat RJ45 crimp connector with strain relief and locking pin. First, gather all the tools and parts that you need. We recommend the use of good quality tools comprising of flush cutters, cable stripping tool and RJ45 crimper. First, take your optional strain relief and slide it along the Pro SlimCat Cat6 cable. Next, use the cable stripping tool to remove approximately 30mm of the cable sheath. Untwist the 8 wires in the cable and trim the cross separator back in line with the sheath. Straighten out the 8 wires and arrange them in the correct order. In this video, we are using the T568B wiring pinout. Using sharp flush cutters, trim the end of the wires cleanly. You may find it helps to cut them on an angle. Now slide the wire manager into place as close as possible to the jacket without kinking the wires, noting the correct orientation, and trim the wires flush with the end of the manager. Offer the wire manager into the plug and ensure that it seats home at the end of the connector. Then slide the optional strain relief into place. Now simply introduce your assembled connector into a crimp tool of your choice and crimp. If desired, the locking pin which ships with the strain relief can be inserted to prevent accidental disconnection. For more information about the SlimCat range, please visit chords.com.